We're having our late dinner here in the streets of Bangkok. This line of food stalls, no, along a major road. So we decided to eat in this place.
So everything's closed already.
Kasi close yung mga restaurant. But ito naman, buhay na buhay pa. It's still alive. Let's have a quick review of the food. This one we ordered, what is this? This is salted. Pero hindi naman salted, no? Pero parang regular egg lang siya.
Shrimp with salted eggs supposed.
And yung may shrimp siya, no? Tasty shrimp. So far, anong rating mo dyan? Okay naman? O gutom lang tayo?
Gutom lang kaya ako.
This one? Kasi...
Try the fish yet. Okay, fish?
Yeah, fish is pinakamasarap. Ito, malaki yung fish, no? Tingnan mo, imagine nyo, ito yung kamay namin, no? That is the fish. Parang, yan, no? Luto siya. I like the fish. Parang sinugba siya. Of course, itong shell, may nakakatakot kasi parang medium rare pagkaluto. Ha?
Ayoko lang shell.
Kagabi sa cruise, no? We had a cruise last night sa Icon Sayang. Sumakit yung tiyan ko sa buffet. Andiyan yung mga pricing, no? Makita mo, mga pricing ng this one.
Have you tried the fish, the shrimp?
Yeah, this one, ito combine ng fish tsaka this one, 800 baht. So
Ano yun?
800 baht, so almost mga 1,500, na. This one is magkano, 400?
400. At 300.
400, so 300, so in pesos, convert ka agad sa pesos, ano?
500.
500. So more or less, itong street food namin tonight, more than 2,000 pesos. I think cheaper pa ata kung magresto eh. But the difference is the experience. Huh? And I have my Chang Thai beer, classic Mayas Coca-Cola.
Try natin.
Meron pa dyan, oh, iwan. Busin mo.
Hindi ano eh.
Ha?
Hindi luto.
Hindi, cook siya.
Ha?
Pero cook na cook.
Yan, oh?
Oo. Yan, busin mo. Ito yung lahat ng order namin, no? for the night. Tomorrow we'll be flying to Da Nang. This is our last night here because I'm sure several times so balik-balik pa kami sa Bangkok.